Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily edit the title and description of your videos on YouTube using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. You can access it by clicking on your profile picture and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Click on Content in the left-hand menu. This will take you to a list of all your uploaded videos. Step 3. Select the video you want to edit. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific video you wish to update. Step 4. Click on More below the video thumbnail. A drop-down menu will appear with additional options. Step 5. Select Edit Title and Description. This will open up the editing interface where you can make changes to the title and description of your video. Now you can easily customize and optimize your video's title and description to attract more viewers and improve your search rankings. That's it for today's tutorial on how to edit video title and description in YouTube on PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks.